I'm Corporal Morris Irvin with Springdale Police Department, currently assigned with the K-9 Division. My working partner is Nomos, a 3-year-old Belgian Malinois. Nomos is trained in narcotics detection, building clearance, tracking, evidence recovery, and suspect apprehension, as well as handler protection. One of Nomos' strong points is tracking. Second to that is an exceptional narcotics dog. What I displayed today is a passive alert. As he smells the odor of narcotics, he's trained to locate. He sits down. He's trained not to touch it due to property damage and possible ingestion of narcotics. Nicto? Okay, yes, okay.